Okay, is this day on?
That's good.
What's up, everybody? This is Timmy Lemna here. Once again, it's time for the season 3 premiere episode. This is my food review. It's called Coco's Bakery and Restaurant. Bakery Restaurant. And I have some breakfast. I decided to go with waffle with the syrup on it, with the fork. So, like, tastes like this. Here we go. Delicioso. I also have a juice, apple juice. I give it an 8 out of. I give it in my food review. Please, I'm gonna let you know. Waffle is a tasty. That looks delicious. Anyways, I'll have to rest to eat a little bit. But until then, have a great day, everybody.